In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error, "Cannot start Microsoft Outlook, Invalid XML, the view cannot be loaded" on Windows. This issue usually happens when Outlook's navigation pane settings become corrupted, which prevents the application from opening properly. Fortunately, there is a simple built-in fix that can usually resolve the problem without affecting your emails or account data. To begin, you need to make sure Microsoft Outlook is completely closed. If the program is frozen or still running in the background, you will need to end it first. Instead of using keyboard shortcuts, you can do this by using the Windows search feature. Simply right-click on the Start button or click on the search bar next to the Start menu, then type Task Manager. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open. Once Task Manager is open, look for Microsoft Outlook in the list of running applications. Select it, then click End Task to fully close the program before moving to the next step. After Outlook has been closed completely, go back to the Windows search bar again, or press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run window, carefully type the command outlook.exe/resetnavpane and then press Enter. This command will reset the navigation pane settings in Outlook back to their default configuration. This is important because the Invalid XML error is often caused by corrupted view or navigation data that prevents Outlook from loading correctly. Once the reset command runs successfully, Outlook will automatically rebuild these settings the next time it opens. After a short moment, try launching Outlook again from the Start menu. In most cases, the application will now open normally, and the error message will no longer appear. Your mailbox and data will remain safe, and only the view settings will be refreshed. And that's it. You now know how to fix the "Cannot start Microsoft Outlook, Invalid XML, the view cannot be loaded" error on Windows using Task Manager and the Reset Navigation Pane command. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.